Well, hi there and welcome to the dungeon again. Derek in the dungeon. I just thought I'd show you a remedy to an old problem that is quite well known. Oh, my dogs are going crazy. This is a Grundig. This one is called a Zauberklang 3025, but all Grundig old tube radios have the same tuning mechanism. You can see these set of wheels that engage and disengage in this clutch assembly to make it swing between FM and AM tuning. And as it gets old, generally it's the FM. FM doesn't want to tune anymore. The AM tunes okay. You can see the AM's little pulley is turning over here. The FM, this is this white pulley over here, no go. And it's because the clutch wears out and the friction material inside of there gets old and it gets worn down. So the solution is as follows. You will need to add more frictive material or more friction giving material. So what I have is an old, well, not an old, it's a new sanding pad, the one that's got this fuzzy felt on the back. That's a 180, and I've cut it out into this kind of C shape, and now I'm going to insert it in underneath there, and I'm going to insert it this way around, okay, in that orientation, so that it grips on the little knobs. If you can get way down inside over there, I don't know how far I can get this camera in there, but there are little knobs. You can sometimes see them in that are part of this wheel, this Bakelite wheel or whatever it is. It's got little rough knobs in there. You can see something on the left there, little rough nipples that stick up. So I'm going to get this guy in there like that, and then I'll be back. So stand by. Alright, so now the sandpaper is in, and this is on the AM, any of the AM modes, long wave, short wave, medium wave, and it's tuning beautifully. There you'll see the AM, the little dial pulley running, and the tuning capacitor is swinging nicely. So that's working great. Now I'm going to select FM, and the FM is tuning beautifully all the way to the stop. And what I wanted to show is when I tune it all the way to the stop, the FM tuner stops turning, and this boy also now will glide, but it's not going to give any trouble, and there it tunes in the other direction. So the problem is solved. I hope that helps you. I know that this is in English, and most of you guys out there that do these old radios are German. Also, ich kann es nochmal erklären, wenn ihr möchtet. Ich habe ein bisschen Schleifpapier, so. Das ist eigentlich einer dieser Maus-Schleifgeräte, der ich so ausgeschnitten habe. Das war am Anfang zu groß gewesen. Ich habe das Ding hier als Muster benutzt, aber das war zu groß gewesen. Also dann so 4-5 mm abgetrimmt und dann da reingesteckt mit so einer Öffnung an der einen Seite, und dann bleibt das hängen und das kommt nicht raus. Wenn man die so umschaltet, der kommt nicht raus. Da ist ist ungenügend Platz. Also das wird bestimmt so bleiben. Ich werde es nochmal senkrecht stellen und nochmal testen. Aber ich habe es schon getestet und es läuft wunderbar. So thanks for watching, all of you bilingual people. And I hope this was helpful. Tschüss. Bye.